Anong pangkabal? Pumunta dito kanina eh, hindi naman
Nabibinta kasi binibilad tapos
yung inaano ng ano,
oo, yung mga dala-dala ng dagat.
hindi pa tayo nagula.
Yung halamang dagat.
It's 5 o'clock in the morning. So my head is aching. My disk. Ano ka?
Yung halamang dagat.
Ano yung mga black for island? I'm so excited.
Yung halamang dagat.
It's 100 islands here in Alaminos. Yeah, I'm so excited. Yeah, it's my first time. It's my first time. Kasi gusto ko talaga to. Good morning. Mag-ipon si Bob na maraming tubig. Bored siya, wala siguro siya magawa. Eh kasi nga daw, baka daw pag na-orlock siya, hindi siya makaipon ng tubig, wala na tayong tubig. Hindi lang magdadagat ka. Good morning. Shala. British accent. Good morning, guys. Oh, it's too early!
I am stuck in LA through the week and can't get away, and you're alone on the
Oh yeah, no, I'm not actually looking for that one. Moving on. Charlotte?
awake, the stomach ache that I've acquired from feeling down. Things look grim, and I'm so sick of being tired. Apartment lights go dark, and it's depressing, but what can I do? The midnight streets feel dead when I am so used to driving with you. Brighter lights fill the night, and bluer skies reflect in your eyes.
Breakfast right now. And I'm drinking Milo, you know, like hot chocolate. Totoo dyan eh na.
life vest.
Is this yeah. To put on the life vest? And if you don't have
Don't tell me you have to go. Mejida, summer sunshine, I miss you like nobody else in the heat of summer sunshine. I kiss you, and nobody needs to know. Sweet beginnings and bitter endings. In Coffee City, we borrowed hands.
Yeah, we're ready. We have life vest. And we're gonna go Highland.
Yeah, we gotta keep everyone safe.
Kind of today.
Island hopping.